In this video, I'm going to show you a way to, other than the copy and paste method, to form individual data or individual files for students from your data. You're going to go and open the file up. You're going to click No. Then you're going to go to Select Recipients, use an existing list. You are going to choose the list you want to use. This is my test caseload. You're going to choose the sheet you want to do it from, and then you click OK. Now from here you're going to click Edit a Recipient List. The first time you do this, you're going to unclick the top and just click the first person. OK. Finish and merge. Edit individual documents. OK. And then File, Save As. Choose where you want to save it. And then name your document. Then you're going to go back. Then you're going to close that file. You're going to edit recipient list. Uncheck the first one. Check the second. Finish and merge. Edit individual. OK. File. Save as. Name the file. And keep repeating that. If during the school year you receive additional students, this would also be the method that you would do them. After you choose the file, you would only choose the additional students that you need to create files for.